The question that's been asked is, how do you add or delete a disbursement? So let's look at disbursements in general. There are two types of disbursements. Disbursement that are paid straight from general account or paid from trust. Now when we say trust, we mean you're actually writing a trust check or withdrawing money out of trust to actually pay it. Okay. So let's first look at general disbursement. These are all from your general account. Cash is all considered as general disbursement. So you can say new paid from general. Let's say it's like some kind of a fee, maybe a completion fee. Now you have to put a pre-tax amount here because tax is calculated here. So you can say $66, for example, and then HST is on top of it, or in other provinces it's QST on top of it. You can exempt it by clicking on the exempt button, but when you unexempt it, it'll automatically bring you there. Now if it's not full tax, it's only partial tax, you can click on the tax code and change it. Like for example, if only PST was applicable for this one, you could change it, right? You could do one of those. In the bottom, you tell us how you actually paid for it. So you can say, oh, it was paid using the business credit card. And who was it paid to? Maybe it was paid to municipality of PO, right? And you can hit the save button. Now, if you realize you made a small mistake on it, that's not a big problem. You can always change disbursements. Like for example, the $66, you'll come to this edit button and you will click on the item that will bring it up. And you can say, oh, it was not actually just PST, it was both. So I made a mistake. So it is back to HST. You could do that. You have to unlock though and hit the save button. You could also change the bottom part. You can say, hey, it was not, it was actually a normal bank. I issued a check and the check number was 67. You could do that and hit the save button. Now when you do that, you will see whatever changes you did will get reflected on that line item under the matter. So to summarize, if you want to put a new disbursement, you'll click on new disbursement and put it under general or trust based on whatever method you actually use to pay the disbursement. And if you want to remove it or edit it, you'll use the edit button. Now if you want to completely eliminate it, okay, you can click on item, make the amount $0. That means you're completely eliminating it. And when you save it, now you will see the line item here because we want to remind you that you did put the disbursement at $0. So we will put it here, but it's eliminated. Like for example, if I would do an invoice and I would do a preview, you will see that the completion fee will not be there. If you look here, it's not here. The disbursements are not there. There's only court fee. So clearly marking any disbursement as $0 eliminates it or deletes it. It will show up just to let you know that you actually deleted it because we don't want to completely remove it off your view, but it will not be used in any form of financial transaction. So summarizing again, new disbursement, paid from general, paid from trust. To edit it, you'll click on the edit button, edit the item. To completely delete it, when you edit it, you will mark the amount as $0.